다른 배고 다 되는 것도 아니야. You could try it all you want and waste your time. You look ahead, a million people in the line, but I'm one step away until the day I will be gone. Baby, you're a shooting star, you're a rising star. Name yourself in a galaxy. Don't let the others fool your mind. 붙잡아야 할 건 only your tenacity. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right. Name yourself in a galaxy. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right. It's the only necessity. They say you gotta win it, step over them, go get 'em. They say you gotta win it, step over them. You think that's right?
It's all about the mindset. Just focus on yourself. It's all about the mindset.
Keep moving on. I'm one step away until the day I will be gone. Baby, you're a shooting star, you're a rising star. Name yourself in a galaxy. Don't let the others fool your mind. 붙잡아야 할 건 only your tenacity. Gotta get it right. hanging on a weekend. It was done because we were gonna be friends, but we fell in love, got a little bit naughty, irresponsible. So we said let's stop it, we're better on our own. But you stayed in my head, standing in some beams. And when in my bed, you were in my dreams. We're still like kind of best of enemies, but now we're making love till we're out of energy. Breaking in, then breaking out. You are stuck on my mind. There's no way to rewind. I'm criminally loving you. I can't live with us apart, so I had to steal your heart. Go ahead and play your part. I'm criminally loving you. The other day you said, hey, I think we're done. This is how we end. While you were chewing gum, wouldn't say it surprised me, but it sure caught on. I felt something dying, something by your tone. For a good few seconds, like an eternity. Scared to lose, I reckon. I blame my OCD, but then it all went backwards. You ask if I agree, and that's how I know you're still not really over me. Breaking in, then breaking out. You are stuck on my mind. There's no way to rewind. I'm criminally loving you. I can't live with us apart, so I had to steal your heart. Go ahead and play your part. I'm criminally loving you.